Welcome students in session number 5, number system. In this session we should study about visualization of representation of real numbers by using the process of successive magnification. By successive magnifications. In this topic we should take one example. Visualize 2.643 on the number line using successive magnification. First we should decide 2.643. 2.643, that is our first step. 2.643 lies between the 2 and 3. Lies between the 2 and 3. Okay, so we should take 2 and 3. We should take 2 and 3 on number line first. So on number line 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, like that. In the left side -1, -2, and like that. And on number line we should divide the each portion in the equal parts. Okay, 1, 2, like that. All parts are equal here. So 2.64 falls between 2 and 3. Falls between 2 and 3. So you can say this is your magnifying glass, like that. You can see here and easily you observe here. Okay, now in second step, in our second step, 2.643, we should take 2.6. We should take 2.6 because we should represent the digits after decimal point taking single digit at a time. It means 0.6, 2.6, and 2.6 lies between 2.5 and 2.7. 2.5 and 2.7. So let we take on this number line, you can take this point A1 and this point is A2. So that, like that, in the second step you should draw the number lines and take a point. Point A1 is, you know what is point A1? 2, and point A2 is 3. And for more accurate representation, for more accurate visualization of the representation, we should divide this portion. We should divide this portion of number line into 10 equal parts. Into 10 equal parts, and then use a magnifying glass to visualize the said numbers. Okay, for more accurate visualization we should divide that portion into 10 equal parts. Okay, why 10 equal parts? Because we are taking 2.6. it means after the decimal point, what is the value of 6? Tenths. It means we should divide that portion into 10 equal parts. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That will be the 2. Now that will be 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, and after 10 point it will come 3. Okay, now 2.6 lies between 2.5 and 2.7. 2.6 lies between 2.5 and 2.7. So you should magnifying this number like that. 2 point. Okay, you can see the 2.6 lies between 2.4 and 2.7. In third step 2.643, 2.6 already represented here, and you can see by magnifying glass. Now we should come on 2.64. 2.64 we should represent by successive the method. 2.6, then 2.64, then 2.63, like that. Okay, definitely 2.64. This time 2.64 lies between 2.63 and 2.65. 2.64, that is 2.64 lies between 2.63 and 2.65. Okay, then 2.63 and 2.65, it means that value lies between in this place. When you should visualize using the magnifying glass, definitely that value lies between in this value. Okay, now you should draw the number line and you should give that point, this time B1 and B2. Okay, take a number line, take a one more number line and give the point B1 and that side B2, and divide that portion into 10 equal parts for visualizing the accurately. Okay, now that is 2.61, 2.61, and that will be the, and this side will be the 2 point. First we should divide 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That point will be our B2. This side 2.61 and this side will be the 2.61 and this side 2.7. 2.7. Okay, 2.6, now 2.6 and 2.7. now this point, this is 2.6, that value will be 2.61, 2.62, 2.63, that will be the 2.63, that will be 2.64, that will be the 2.65, 2.67, 2.68, 2.69, sorry 2.68, 2.69, and that is the 2.7. Okay, and you can write the all numbers on that number line. Okay, now in the next step we should draw, next step, it means our fourth step, 2.643, 2.643, 2.643. This number lies between 2.642 and 2.644. 2.642 and 2.644. When you should use magnifying glass, that number will be seen between it. 2.641, 2 like that. Okay, so use the magnifying glass and definitely you can see that number using magnifying glass between 2.64 and 2.65. How? 2.64, that will be the 2.641, 2.642, 2.643 like that. So we should use another number line for visualizing the accurately to understand you. Okay, now you can give here the point, that point will be C1 and that point will be the C2. Take here C1. What is C1 point? Here C1 point is 2.64. now that portion should be divided into 10 equal part. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and that is the C2, and value is there 2.65. now you should count easily, that will be the 2.641, that is the 2.642, this will be the 2.643. for clear representation I am writing upper and above and below, but you should write accurately properly, and that point will be the 2.644, that point will be 2.645, that point will be 2.646, that point 2.647, at 648, 649, and that will be the 2.65. is it clear? And definitely the number 2.643 you can see here, you can see here easily, that number you can see easily. That is the proper or accurate presentation here, where you can represent your number 2.643 on the number line. And question is here, you should visualize the number 2.643 on the number line. Okay, any queries there, you can ask me again and we should represent it. Okay, now come on, one more example where it is the number that you can see the terminating decimal expansion. Now we set one more example where the decimal expansion is not terminating but recurring is there. Okay, now in this example visualize the representation of 5 point bar on 73 on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Up to 4 decimal places, it means we should take the number for representation on number line 5.37 bar on 37, we can write or we can repeat the number 37, and how many number of places after decimal point? 4 decimal places, it means 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we should represent 5.37 on the number line. Okay, first we should observe in first step that number lies between the 5.37, that number lies between 5 and 6. That number lies between 5 and 6. Okay, so we should take on the number line. This is our number line, and we can say like that 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Each portion will be equal 7 8 like that. In the number line, this number comes or lies between the 5 and 6. This is 5 and 6. You can use magnifying glass. Okay, 5 and 6. Now in our second step, we should represent 5.3737 successive number. It means 5.3, and 5.3 lies between 5.2 and 5.4. You can see properly 5.3 number. 5.3 lies between 5.2 and 5.4. Okay, in the previous step we can give the point A1, and this is the A2, and once again we should take a number line, give a point A1. What is A1? 5, and divide this number line 5 and 6. The portion of 5 and 6 we should divide it into the 10 equal portion. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and that is the 10. This is the point A2. This is the point A2. Number on A2 will be 6. Now what will be? That is 5.1. This is 5.2. This is 5.3. You can write horizontally. No need to one number is below and one number is above. Especially for clarification or proper visualizing, we are writing like that. Okay, 5.4, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5. Okay, 5.1, 5.2, 3, 4. This is 5. Okay, sorry. This is 6, 7, 8, and this is 5.9, and this is the 6. In number 5.3, lies between 5.2 and 5.4. It means you can see this number lies between that two numbers. Okay, now in third step, in our third step 5.3737, we represent it up to the 5.3. Now we should take 5.37, and that number lies between 5.36 and 5.38. 5.36, 5.37, 5.38. Okay, so 5.36, 5.31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. When you should use magnifying glass, you can see that numbers are between 5.3 and 5.4. So you should visualize that numbers here and see properly. Okay, now give that point B1, and this is the B2. Draw a number line. Take here point B1. What is point B1? 5.3. And what is point B2? 5.4. In 5.3 and 5.4, that portion should be divided into 10 equal parts. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is the point B2. Point B2. And what is point B2? This is the 5.4. okay, definitely what is that value? 5.31. this is 5.32. this is 5.33, 5.34, 5.35. this is 5.36. this will be the 5.36. that will be the 5.37, and that is 5.38. okay, it means 5.37 lies between the 5.36 and 5.38. you can see that representation here, but you should draw the all numbers on number line. okay, now in fourth step, the number 5.3737, we represented up to the 5.37 here, 5.37. now we should take 5.373. 5.373 lies between 5.372 and 5.7, sorry, it is here wrong, that is 5.3737. now we should represent 5.373, and that number lies between 5.37, that number lies between 5.372 and 5.374. 5.374. between that two numbers there will be the 5.373. it means when you should divide that portion, this point is C1, this point is C2, there will be the 10 equal parts, and that parts will be 5.371, 372, 373, 374, like that. you should divide that portion into 10 equal parts on the number line. let me draw on the number line. C1, what is the point of C1? 5.37, and C2 5.38, and divide that portion into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that is 10. that is point C2. and what is the value of C2? 5.38. when you start, this will be the 5.37, 5.371, this will be 5.372, that will be the 5.373, that will be 5.374, this will be 5.375, 0.376, 0.377, 0.378, 5.379, like that you should represent the numbers. And you can say the number 5.373 lies between 5.3, that number 5.373 lies between 5.372 and 5.374. okay, now come on the next step. Step number 5. we should represent 5.3737. we represented up to 5.373. now in the next step we should represent number up to this digit. it means 5.3737. it means completely up to the 4 decimal point we should represent, and that number will lies between 5.373 5.3736 and 5.3738. Definitely when you should read the number in the successive manner, 5.3736, 5.3737, then 5.3738, like that. Okay, now let me draw a number line. So the 5.3736 and 5.3738, so we can see the number is here 5.373, that number 5.373. now we should divide that portion, into 10 equal part. Then what will be here next number when we should divide that portion to 10 equal part, like that, 10 equal parts. Use and see properly using magnifying glass. There will be the 5.3731, 5.3731 in the then 5.3732, like that. It means our number, that number lies between that two points, It means we should give that point D1, and this point will be the D2. That is the D1, and that point will be the D2. What is the value of D1? 5.373, 5.373, and D2 5.374. So take one point D1, value of D1 5.373, and D2 5.374, and divide that portion into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here 10. D2, what is the value of D2? 5.3, sorry, that point is wrong. 5.373, and that point will be 5.374, 5.374, and this is the point 5.373. When you should start writing the number in the successive form, that point will be 5.3731. This will be 5.3732, 0.3733, 34, 35, 36, 5.3736. That will be 5 point, this point 5.3737, and this point 5.3738. Definitely you can see that number between 5.3736 and 5.3738, and that is the accurate representation of the point of the number 5.3737 on the number line. Okay, I think you understood that representation properly. In spite of this, if you have any query, you can ask me. I will revise and once again represent you that portion for your better understanding. Okay, now come on the practice work. Practice work for this session. This is session number, no, that practice work already done. The practice work for this session number 5, number system. Exercise 1.4, question number 1. Visualize 3.765 on the number line. using successive magnification. Okay. Question number 2. Visualize 4 point bar on to 6 on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Up to 4 point bar on 2 6. It means 2 6, number 2 6 is repeated many times after the decimal point, but we have need up to the 4 decimal point only. So you can write 4 digit after the decimal point. 4.26 26. Why 26 only? Because 26 only repeated here, because bar on 26. So you should represent 4.26 on the number line up to the 4 decimal. Okay, thank you.